start this tour talking about the history of Codorniu. As Codorniu is the oldest winery in Spain, we are very proud to talk about our own history. It all began with Jaume de Codorniu, one of the first owners of this estate, in 1551. At that time, Jaume, he was the one who started selling his own wines, spirits, and some sweet wines called Mistela. Do you know what Mistela is? No? Mistela, it's a sweet wine typical from Catalonia. It's a fortified wine, very sweet, perfect for desserts, for example. Then, in 1659, Anna de Codorniu got married to Miquel Reventós. Anna was the heiress of that time, and when they got married, we lost the Codorniu last name. But we kept it as the main name of all this area and also as the name of the business. That's why nowadays the company is called Reventós Codorniu, the two families united in the same project. Years later, in 1872, Josep Reventós decides to begin a new project here in Codorniu, and he was the one who made the first bottle of cava. Later, we are going to see where, in a very small and special place, and as we can see today, the business went very well, right? It was a great idea. But sadly, he died before his dream coming true, and was his son, Manel Reventós, who made this business as nowadays we can see it. And he realized that what he needed was an industrial building. All we are going to see now, it's very beautiful, it's a winery, a working place. It was the golden age of the Catalan Art Nouveau period, known as Modernism, and they were in contact with three famous architects of that time: Antoni Gaudí, Puig i Cadafalch, and Domènech i Muntaner, the three big names from the Catalan Art Nouveau. It was Puig i Cadafalch, who was a disciple of Antoni Gaudí, who was hired to build here the industrial buildings that they needed. Buildings like the old pressing room to press the grapes, the old fermentation room, the cellar to obtain the base wine, and the old expedition department, which is this building here. This building, that nowadays is our reception, also the store, in the past was the place where the workers prepare and protect the bottles to be shipped. Here on behind we can see how this building was back in the days. From here, the workers prepare and protect bottles. They protect the quality bottles because the main transport was made by horses, so it was very important to protect the bottles. First, they used to wrap the bottles in some papers like the ones we can see in that small table over there. First the paper to the label, and then put the bottle in a straw basket. And with wooden boxes and horses, they went to the train station of the town. This building, it was renovated during the 70s. During this renovation, they removed the whole ceiling that we can see in the lower part of the picture, that it was a kind of warehouse to store all the material that they used to. Since they removed this part, what we can see nowadays in this building is this parabolic arches, typical from the Catalan Art Nouveau. This type of construction, it's called La Volta Catalana, and it's one of the traits of this artistical movement. This building and the other one that we are going to see during the tour were named historical and artistical buildings of national interest. And this one in particular was named like the Cathedral of Cava, due to this beautiful acoustic, the type of the light, and it looks like a kind of temple. So, after this short introduction, ready to start the tour?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Let's have fun then. Let's go outside.